Okay. Hi guys, I'm Adi again. So this is your 7 by 7 mobile shop. It can be used for selling of snacks, pizza, and a shawarma point. 7 by 7, like I said. So it's empty, was still under construction. So this is going to have a tank. It's going to have a tank here, and you can see the front. You can brand and put any color that you want on it. In the inside to the same touch that you need, and it's going to come with a sink inside and a sales point, which is still going to have another sales point here where your customers can actually stand and place their hand. It has a 3 sales points, 1, 2, and 3 from the other side, as you can see them open, and that is the door. So from the inside, we'll give you the touch that you want and any color that you want inside, in and out. You're going to have a roof. So if you're interested, come to the DM. Let's give you a good job.